Today we're going to be making homemade lemonade. It's cookout season, barbecue season. You've got Memorial Day, Labor Day, Father's Day, 4th of July. All these holidays call for some fresh squeezed lemonade, and it's so much easier to make at home than what you think. I too used to make my lemonade with lemonade concentrate. It only just takes a couple seconds to squeeze your own lemons, fix a simple syrup on the stove, and you've got homemade lemonade. Let's put this together and do a taste test. Okay, so I'm going to use a saucepan, and right over here on this front burner, we're going to use 1 cup of cold water and 1.5 cups of granulated sugar. We're going to bring that to a boil, let that sugar dissolve, and then we are going to set it aside and let it cool. Let me get 1.5 cups of sugar. So hard to see in this. One and a half cups of sugar and 1 cup of cold water. A little bit more. There we go. Turn this front burner on. We're going to let this sugar dissolve while we squeeze our lemons. Oh goodness, those are hard. First, and let's see if we can get some juice out of it. There we go. Look at the juice coming out of that one. Wow. Wow, that is a lot of juice out of one lemon, ain't it? Wow, those are juicy lemons. See what I'm saying? They look dried up, these do, but they have more juice in them than the ones that are fresh. So, I don't know. Do they get juicier as they get older? Okay, looks like our sugar has dissolved. I turned it off, and we're just gonna let it get to room temperature. I'll move it off the stove. And that's what we got, which is right at 1 1/4 cup. So we'll be just a little bit shy of 1.5 cups, but I think we'll be okay. If you're enjoying this video, just go ahead and hit that thumbs up or like button for me. It really helps me out. And I invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that and hang out with me. Okay, we're back at it. We're finishing up our lemonade. I've got 7 cups approximately of water that's been in the refrigerator. We're going to go ahead and add our 1.5 cups of lemon juice right to our water. Now we're going to add our simple syrup that we made that has cooled to room temperature. Now I'm going to put my plunger on it. This is from Pampered Chef. I love it. I've not used it in a long time, to be honest. I used to make Kool-Aid and lemonade a lot when the kids were at home, but I've not made it in a long time. I couldn't tell you the last time I used it. I've got us a glass of ice. Might see if I can get Chad in here to taste test it. Got us a little lemonade slice here. Let's get a picture of it. All right. I'm going to try a drink of it, and then I'm going to let Chad. It's delicious. That is the perfect amount of sweet, perfect amount of tangy. Let's go give Chad a drink. Chad's going to do a taste test for us. This is my homemade lemonade. And I think I know I've made it before. I made Aubrey some one day. But this is for a whole pitcher. And I made the simple syrup, juice of the lemons. Try it.
What a perfect day for lemonade. This is really nice. Wow. That is so good and refreshing, and it tastes good. It's not sour.
Yeah, I think it's a perfect blend of sweet and tangy.
Yep. The sweet part's really good. I like it.
I know this was a shorter video, but I just wanted to share some recipes that are good for summertime, for cookouts, Labor Day, 4th of July, Father's Day, Memorial Weekend. So these times you're having picnics, cookouts, barbecues, or just family gatherings. Make you a thing of homemade lemonade. All you need is some sugar, some water, and lemons, and you're good to go. I hope you'll give it a try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. This lemonade was absolutely delicious. It was so refreshing. It was the absolute best balance of sweet and tangy and refreshing. I hope you'll give it a try.